The Golf R is the understated and underrated antithesis of its red-hot hatchback rivals such as the Ford Focus RS, Subaru WRX STI, and Honda Civic Type R. Its mixture of performance and practicality is expected, but its seamless blending of those two key attributes is unique. On top of that, the R outclasses everything in the category with the most sophisticated styling inside and out. Its place at the peak of the peerless Volkswagen Golf family has helped it earn multiple 10 Best awards, including for 2018. However, the equally lovable and significantly less expensive Golf GTI upstages it. Likewise, the R-rated version lacks the literal and figurative wild side of the hardcore alternatives. Regardless, this sport compact is a dual threat, a winner on both the track and the cul-de-sac. Highs: sophisticated inside and out, effortless performance, class-leading livability. Loss: pricier than the already great Golf GTI, stick-shift model loses significant acceleration, too subdued for some. Verdict: the understated sport compact for adults in a hurry. What's new for 2018? The 2018 Golf R lineup has been consolidated from 2 to 1, with the higher-level dynamic chassis control, DCC, and navigation model becoming the sole choice. This converts previously optional features such as adaptive dampers and all-active safety assists to standard. The engine adds automatic stop-start technology but is otherwise unchanged, and the dual-clutch automatic transmission adds a 7th gear. Minor exterior revisions: